Welcome back to App Mentor. This tutorial will guide you through the process of fixing the Snapchat support code SS06 error. This error can prevent you from logging into your Snapchat account, but with the right steps, you can resolve it effectively. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if the error persists. Restart your router or modem if you are using Wi Fi. Open the App Store on your device, search for Snapchat. If an update is available, tap on the Update button to install the latest version. Restart your device after the update. Next, clearing the app cache can help resolve issues related to data corruption. To do that, go to your settings, click on General, and then go to iPhone Storage. Over here, scroll down and locate Snapchat, then click it. Now click on Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Or if you're an iPhone user like me, tap this Offload Data to clear cache. Note that this process may reset app settings, so be prepared to set them up again. Now go to the App Store and download Snapchat again. Open the app and attempt to log in. If you're facing the SS06 error on Snapchat, follow the steps that can help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. If the problem persists, check your account status and don't hesitate to contact Snapchat support for further assistance. With these actions, you should be able to regain access to your account and enjoy using Snapchat again. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!